Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Magnetic grey metallic, pretty colour. Now this is fully loaded, lots of optional extras, really nice car. It's a Ford Kuga 2 litre TDCi titanium. It's an X-Sport Powershift automatic, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, start, stop. So 2 litre diesel, 4-wheel drive, automatic, Euro 6. Covered 62,000 miles, great service history. Serviced at 717, at 29,000 miles service. It also had the gearbox fluid done. Then serviced at 40, 46, 58 and 60,000 miles. Now done 62. As I say, it's a titanium X Sport, which is lovely. And then it had some really nice extras, which I'll try and remember. You can see front park sensors, daytime running lights, headlamp washers. Got those nice alloy wheels on. Got the glass panoramic sunroof, which I've got tilted at the moment. It has an electronic sunshade. Black leather heated seats, electric driver's seat. Now, other things, reverse camera, powered gesture tailgate, Witter tow bar. You see the privacy glass, rear spoiler, rear park sensors. Remember, it's got a reverse camera. Then it had a lot of technical packs fitted to this car. So it's got forward alerts that brakes if you forget to brake. It's got lock-on cruise control that locks onto the car in front, as well as speed limiter. It's got lane assist. It's got blind spot monitoring. It's got self-parking assistant. So for its age, it's got a lot of tech in. Really nice spec vehicle. Fitted mats. Those lovely leather seats, panoramic sunroofs, leather multifunction steering wheel, Ford Sync satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, aircon and climate control, heated seat buttons down there, lovely and clean, super clean in the back as well, fitted mats throughout, tables on the backs of the front seats, an electronic sunshade, aluminium roof rails, Continental tyres all round. Just show you in the boot area. If I knew where to wave my foot, I don't know whether it gesture works with the engine running, but anyway, electronic tailgate, and it is. You can walk up to it and wave your foot under the side of the car. Nice and clean in the boot. Ignore the bits of dirt that blew in earlier. Space saver spare wheel. Load cover, press that button and the tailgate will close on its own. Super clean on this side of the vehicle as well. Can't see any dents. It's lovely, lovely, lovely. Not even a shock marks really. Okay, alloys this side with Continental Sport tyres, keyless entry, keyless start. Remember, BLIS. Blind spot monitoring, forward alert, lane assist, lock on cruise control, electric mirrors, electric windows, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, electric driver's seat, leather in very good condition, automatic lights, leather multifunction steering wheel, Ford Sync satellite navigation. Yes, very, very, very nice thing this. I've just driven it and it drives beautifully. All that for £10,995. Lot of car that is, 10,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There will be other Ford Kugas on there. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can look through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.